Virtual Local Area Networks, VLANs, segment your network and reduce unnecessary broadcast traffic, improving network performance. After you set up VLANs, you need to assign them to ports. Each Ethernet interface can be set as an access or a trunk port. If you would like to learn more about access and trunk ports, click the link in the description. In this episode of Cisco Tech Talk, I'll show you how to configure access and trunk ports on Catalyst 1200 and 1300 series switches. Next. To get started, log into your Catalyst switch and navigate to VLAN management. I have not created VLANs yet, so the default settings will display. Under VLAN settings, only VLAN 1 is listed. Under interface settings, all switch ports are in access mode. In Port VLAN membership, all switch ports are associated with VLAN 1. I need to create the VLANs before I can assign them to ports. If you don't have VLANs configured yet either, navigate to VLAN settings and click the Add button. To create multiple VLANs that are sequential, you have the option to select VLAN range and type the VLAN IDs in the fields provided. I'll use a VLAN range of 2 through 10. Click Apply to add the VLANs on the switch. Once you click the Close button, you'll be able to view the VLANs that were created. To assign the VLAN on the switch port, navigate to Port VLAN membership, select Port 2, and click Join VLAN. Port 2 is in access mode by default. To configure a different VLAN on this switch port, click on the Access VLAN ID from the drop-down menu. I'll assign VLAN 2 on switch port 2, and then click Apply. Similarly, for port 3, I'll configure the Access VLAN ID as 3 and click Apply. Close this window and you'll be able to see the changes in the Port VLAN membership table. To configure the trunk mode on the switch, navigate to Interface Settings and select the port. I'll select port 4. Click the Edit icon. In the Edit Interface Settings window, select Trunk as the interface VLAN mode and click Apply. It's as simple as that. Port 4 has been configured in trunk mode. When you navigate to the Port VLAN membership menu, you can see VLANs 2 through 10 were automatically tagged on this trunk port as soon as the port mode was changed from access to trunk. Another option is to specify the VLANs you want to allow on a switch port. For this, you select the port and click the Join VLAN button. Under the Tagged VLANs option, all VLANs are tagged by default. Select the User-Defined option and specify the range of VLANs you would like to tag. You can either specify a single VLAN or a range of VLANs. In this example, I'll enter VLANs 3 through 6 and click the Apply button. Close the window to see that only VLANs 3 through 6 have been tagged on switch port 4. VLAN 1 is acting as the native VLAN on this switch port by default, but if required, that can be changed as well. To save the configuration, click on the red blinking Save icon at the top of the screen. You'll see a syslog notification that the configuration has been saved. Both access and trunk ports play a crucial role in managing network traffic and ensuring smooth communication. Now you know how to set them up to best fit the needs of your business. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.